Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a full wig. The hair company is called Bijoux Hair. This wig is a part of their Beauty Elements Realistic Wig collection. The name of this wig is called Jumbo Afro. This wig looked pretty interesting. I've never reviewed an Afro wig before. You can find this wig at your local beauty supply store or online. So without further ado, let's check out this wig. Here is the tag for this wig. It shows the different colors that this wig is also available in. Here's the back of the tag. It just shares with you how to take care of this wig. Alright, let's get started. So the first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my usual comb through. Small pieces of hair did fall from this wig while I was combing through it. Definitely something to know. The next topic is tangles. I could not successfully comb my fingers through this hair. When I try to put my hands through it, it gets stuck. So this wig is somewhat natted. Combing my fingers through this wig, there is a little bit of resistance. So something to know. But again, that could have been the point because this is supposed to mimic natural hair. As you can see, the hair length is not that long. We can measure a portion of the hair. So I have a section of this hair stretched out and it does reach 8 inches long. So I did measure other sections of this wig and the hair did reach about 8 inches long. So we have 8 inches of kinky hair. As far as the hair ends are random. You know, the hair ends do feel a little dry. I don't think that the hair ends are sparse. Overall, the hair is pretty full. As far as hair pattern, this hair is supposed to mimic 4C hair. And it is definitely kinky, it is definitely coily, it's definitely curly, and also let's not forget frizzy, the cherry on top, right? The hair moves pretty well. It has great volume. As you can see, it's a full wig, a wig full of hair. So you will definitely look like you have a head full of hair, and it's thick. Don't even ask what the density is. We're just gonna call this thick, okay? The next topic is smell. This wig smells like brand new hair. It does not have a bad smell at all, so kudos to that. And as far as texture, the hair texture feels dry. It's definitely dry. It feels as if it is brittle hair. So maybe when you apply product to it, it will feel soft. But as of right now, this wig actually feels pretty dry. So let's go ahead and take a look at the wig structure. This is the front of the wig. It is a full wig. You can get lost in this bad boy. Let's take a look at the inner structure of this wig. So this is the front of the wig. As you can see, there are no wig clips. The wig cap is netted, so it should be breathable. So let's turn to the back. This is the back of the wig. There is no wig clips in the back neither, so this wig does not have any wig clips also. But it does have 2 drawstrings with many belt loops to adjust the cap size. So that's pretty much it for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and wow. I did not expect this wig to be cute. I actually like it. Like what? And then on top of that, it is big head friendly. There is so much room in this cap. I barely can tell that it's on. So much room. Like, wow, I did not expect that at all. There is plenty of room in this cap. Definitely big head friendly. I was really not expecting this wig to be this cute. This is a lot of hair. Like, a lot of hair. I'm not complaining. You know I like hair, but wow, I feel like I am in a 70s movie. I have the perfect outfit to wear with this wig. I am so excited right now. So overall, I am rating this wig a 7 out of 10, losing 1 point because it does shed, losing another point because it does tangle, and then losing a final point because it is dry. Okay? Those are 3 no-nos, but she's big head friendly and she's cute. So just know that. Just know all of that, okay, before you buy this wig. I'll take it. I'll take it. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!